Now on the Epic app, you can read stories, listen to stories, and also watch some short videos in English. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to recommend some books, which I'll send through the Team app. Okay, so let's take a look. And we go to Students. Then we enter our code. Remember our code? UTI 2979. Then we go. Dun, 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 dun. Then your name should be here. So you put in your class number. So 1A, and you'll have all the 1A students. 3D, you have all the 3D students. So just type in your name, your class number, your number, and your name, and you'll find it. But today, I'm going to do 1A. Oh, and there's the one I want, this person. So remember in the app, you have books that you can read. They have books that they can read to you.
Epic Originals presents Bright Family, Book 1, Versus the Multiverse, written by Matthew Cody.
And you have books that you can read on your own. So all you have to do is you can read the book on your own. Okay? Now, if this book is too hard, you can look for a different book. Okay? Now, at the bottom, you'll see Mailbox. If you press Mailbox, you'll see a book that I assigned you. So this is called Dogs. Let's go. Woof, what is that big dog? That dog saying. Dogs can be big or small. They have 4 legs and 2
ears.
See, if you press the button, it can tell you the name of the word. Ears. Some have a long tail. Others have a short tail. Okay? I think I'll quit this book for today. So that is some of the things you can do in Epic. And I will try to send you a new book as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.